Friday. I am so excited because when I got the mail today, I knew it was on its way, but I had lost the tracking information. Our BarkBox Super Chewer is here. Sometimes it's on my front doorstep and sometimes it's in the mailbox. Just depends on, I guess, how big the box is and what's all in my mailbox if I haven't picked up the mail in a minute. So I wanted to share with you, I know it's getting exciting in here. I wanted to share what's in the Super Chewer BarkBox. Last month, I asked them to make a change in what we were getting. So let's see if that came through. Customer service was great. They actually sent us a different toy. I will post it in the comments down below what they sent instead, because some of the hard chew items, not the ones that they can ingest, but just the toys, were too big for the size dogs that we have. So I asked them to switch it out, and they did send something different, complimentary. So, and they can take it or leave it. You know, they have different preferences. So I like getting different things each month for these guys. And Curly, you're doing a great job over there. Because I like variety. I want them to try different things, different treats, different toys, different chews, and they enjoy it as well. I'm Paula, I'm from Canine Country Academy, and today I'm going to show you what we got in our BarkBox. I literally just got home from teaching. I'm gonna open the BarkBox and see what's in it. I myself have not even looked inside, I just cut the tape because I want to share with you guys. And Curly is our guest today. He is 12, he's a rat terrier, maybe whippet mix. And he is a dog that we got from rescue, oh my gosh, over 12 years ago, because he is 12. Maybe not over 12 years ago, that's a little bit of exaggeration, but it's getting close to him being 13 soon. Oh, I don't want them to get old. So he's being really good. I'm actually surprised because I literally got home and he hasn't done anything, but he's very excited. He was tap dancing on the box before I could even open it. So we do the smallest size they have, which I believe is up to 20 pounds. I know, I'm so excited. You're being very good. And Panzer's upset if you can hear another dog barking. He's in the crate downstairs. He had an adventure today, and he's upset. I know, it's so exciting. All right, we're going to get into it, Curly. Curly, I'm not going to make you sit still the entire... Okay, why don't you just go for it? Let's see what Curly finds in the BarkBox. Let's move it a little bit so our friends can see it. He's getting a sniff on. Oh, okay. All right, let's see what it is, honey. All right, so I love it. Love it. It's a Jones Natural Chew. Oh, and you got, a letter. Okay. Thank you. We got to do one thing at a time. It's too exciting. Curly, just wait. It's so exciting. This is a canine bacon roll. What? Look at this thing. Whoever gets this, which might be Curly, is going to love it. You're just taking it all apart. You go, man. And then we got this cute little confidential file. So cute. So we'll see what this is, but we'll start with this. So this is a Jones Chew. It's pork skin. So I can't imagine a dog who wouldn't like this unless there was an allergy. And if your dog, excuse me, sir, if your dog does have some sort of allergy, they can work with you on that as well. So we're not going to eat this straight away. He would like to eat this straight away. Okay, not yet. Not yet. We're going to hide that. Let's look at this while he rips up everything. I mean, it is for the dogs. In here, it shows us some different toys. Hopefully you can hear me over his craziness. It has some toys that you can buy separately. They look really cute. Each month, there tends to be a theme. So this looks like a secret agent. And here's some fun little things you can put on your dog. They're just pop them out, and you have like little lips and stuff for their disguise. Because Curly needs a disguise right now because he's ripping up everything. All right, so he's pulled out a bunch of stuff. This, oh my gosh, this is super heavy. So I don't know if this is the right thing for my guys. They might share it. It's a Thunderball drone. You guys see that? See, it's like a drone, but it's a tennis ball. Oh, it's soft, but it doesn't squeak. I was gonna get excited that it was gonna squeak. So it looks like a drone. It's pretty heavy, so we'll see what the little guys think. Curly, what else did you get? You got so many things out. I can't even decide. Well, let's just take the whole box then. This is what's so fun about BarkBox. You can just do craziness. All right, the next thing Curly said, he was, oh my goodness, oh, it's so exciting. I like my dogs to be dogs within reason, so I don't mind that he's a little crazy. This is a duck and mango chew. It's grain-free. And it's got turmeric in it. It's pretty big. I wonder if I can break it. No, he needs something. Oh, it's soft enough to break. That's nice. And he's really all about it. So duck and mango, interesting. So it's got duck, chickpea flour, pea flour, coconut. Okay, so good stuff. Good ingredients. That's always important for snacks. Oh, Curly, can you come over here? Sit. I knew you were going to down. Sit. Good. Wait. Wait. Oh, sit. Curly, sit. He's like, I can't. It's too much. Down. Good. Wait. We're going to get some. I'm just going to hover like my drone. Excellent. So exciting. All right. Taste test. Woo! He's super excited. So we'll share this with maybe Norby because it's kind of big. He's enjoying himself over there. He's not super picky, but he does have high taste. Like he really wants stuff to be delicious. So in the BarkBox that we have, you get 2 toys, 2 chews, and 2 treats. And they're all BarkBox brand for the most part, unless some of the chews are from another company. So this is, both of these treats are Bark. A lot of these you can buy online from them, or in Target they sell these products as well if you wanted to get something but didn't want a whole box. So this one's a secret salmon. And we'll let him taste these as well. This is lamb and salmon. They're little squares, which I'll show you. They're secretly delicious. I think it's hilarious. Let's see. Our ingredients: lamb, tapioca starch, yellow pea flour, coconut glycerin, dried plain beet pulp. I like to know what's in what I'm giving my dogs. It doesn't mean that they don't get junk food. I just am aware of it, that I'm mindfully giving it to them versus just giving them junk all the time. So this is one. He's making a hot mess over here of his chew. And then this one is another BarkBox product, and it's also secretly delicious. This one is yam with sweet potato, and they look like little balls or like little muffins. So let's open these. Curly can afford extra calories. He's always ready to eat. I wish I had his metabolism sometimes. Oh, these are bigger than I thought. That's awesome. So these might be really good training treats. They're smelly but not disgusting to humans. I'll break this up. So you can break it in tiny pieces, which is excellent for training. So when I train, I typically use a teeny piece. Even if it's a bigger dog, unless they have a hard time finding it in their mouth, then I'll go bigger. But these are really nice little bars. They don't break up, but they break easy, but they're not messy. Curly, he's so busy with this chew. That chew, he just devoured it. Curly, hey Curly, hello. Hey, oh look, there it is. He's so interested in everything else. You want another one? Oh, okay. You like those? Okay, good. So these are a hit. These will go quickly because they're great for training and getting them in their kennels and that kind of thing. And then let's try this one. Ooh, this does smell kind of like a cinnamon biscuit almost. I wonder if it has cinnamon in it. Barley, oats, palm oil, sweet potato. No, but it smells good. Oh, maybe I'm smelling the vanilla. Ooh, do you want the whole biscuit? Oh yes, thank you. So that one's a little more chewy, but it's still delicious. It's kind of getting stuck into the molars, like a good muffin would, right? Gets stuck in your molars. All right, so the treats are definitely a hit. The chew was a hit. He would eat it all if I let him. And then, okay, I know he took something out. Oh, I gotta get that thing. And then, oh, Curly, taking all the papers. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. The Spy Who Licked Me. I love their little sheets. I think they'd be adorable if you were into this kind of thing, to put them in a frame. You guys see that? Such artwork. And then on the back is a map. So they really think about all the little details, and like the critters on this are probably those toys I was showing you in our confidential file. All right, one more item. This is really interesting. This is a Super Chewer toy, and oh, it dispenses treats. Oh, our guys love that. And it's dishwasher safe, which is interesting. So we'll open it up and see. It's a little vehicle. I've never seen anything like this. This is why I love me some BarkBox. Oh, Curly says, me too. I love me some BarkBox. Make a big mess. So it feels like gel. And then I guess you just put the treats in here. I'll give you guys a close-up in a second. It's very detailed. It's adorable. And it has a little Bark license plate. So this is a good item. It'll be interesting to see what they think about getting the treats out of it. Curly is trying to get the treats out of the treat bag, which is great fun as well. Oh, we're gonna, ooh, hold on, brother. Let Mama break these up. So I'm gonna break them up and put them in the car and see what he thinks. He might throw it across the room at us. Hold on, pushy. Pushy. All right. And you can even put their kibble if you feed kibble. It doesn't have to be treats. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Such a, excuse you. Excuse you, thank you. Such a simple design, a car with an opening. I mean, that's just perfect. Whoop. I dropped the treats. All right, so I just plopped the treats in. You guys can see them in there. Little treats in there. Curly, look at this. Let's make some space. We made a huge mess as usual. Hey, hey, hey. Just move it all out of the way. All right, Curly, look. It's in here. It's in here. You gotta show the peeps. Gotta show them. What can you do with that? He's getting a sniff on. That is so interesting. It could be pretty frustrating if it doesn't come out easily. And I would always, even though this is a super chewer box, I would always supervise your dog with this stuff to make sure, like this, I can see a bigger dog maybe destroying it. Curly, he says, ah, forget it. I'm just going to do other stuff. Curly, you try. He's not super persistent with this kind of stuff. He wants instant gratification. I know. You may have gotten one out if you flip it again, kiddo. Curly, get. Yeah, so some are coming out. Good job. It's different. Oh, there was another one. Good. I love enrichment items like this. This one's really simple, but it's nice because the dog is using their brain and their nose to figure it out. And it's something I could set up and maybe do something, but keep an eye on them in case they were to try to destroy it. So I think this is a good BarkBox overall. Really good chew items. I like things that are from the US. I like things that are easy for them to digest. I don't have to worry about, you know, how they're processed. The only challenge I think in this BarkBox will be this. This might be another thing to donate to a friend, which is okay. We like sharing. It's, excuse me, it's totally fine to share our goodies, because I know Curly wouldn't like this. We'll see what the little boys think. They like toys more. Go work on your thing. But I think it was good. They always have high quality products. It's just, what does your dog like? And if your dogs are picky, that could be a challenge. But for the most part, we end up using all the treats within the month, if not sooner. And you can add things to your box if you want. You can add more toys or treats. You just have to customize it and pay a little bit more. I'll post, I'll update this live with our link so you can get your own Super Chewer BarkBox or a normal BarkBox. Super Chewer is designed for dogs who are good at destroying things. So I'll add our link so you guys could get us free BarkBoxes. That would be fun, so you could do more of these. I did a 6-month subscription. You can do 12 months. You can buy one-offs. I do them sometimes as gifts for people. Maybe if they do day training with us, or maybe, you know, something's gone on with their dog and want to brighten their day, it's a great option. But it's good quality stuff, and I really enjoy it. So I see you guys are posting here. Oh, good, Mari. So you changed to the Super Chewer, and you'll have to let us know if they like it. It would be cool if you want to do a video or a live feed and check it out, because you have bigger and smaller dogs, to see what they think. I wish I could get a BarkBox for each dog. Wouldn't that be phenomenal? Then they have so many things, but that might be a little crazy. I've tried a lot of different boxes. I really wanted to try the Super Chewer because things do get destroyed pretty quickly around here, and they seem to have good products. So there's other ones like Pup Joy, Pet Treater. If you guys do a BarkBox, or a version of a BarkBox, I should say, post in the comments down below what you like about the ones that you get. And if I haven't tried it, maybe that's one we'll try. But because I did 6 months, I thought, oh, excuse you. Oh, you're so crazy. You are so, he is loving this. He likes being the dog who gets to do the BarkBox. I try to rotate them. But anyways, post in the comments down below if you do something like this, and the pros and cons of what you have. If you have a subscription that you really like that's not the BarkBox, maybe post your link so that you can get free boxes or referral fees as well. That would be fine too, so other people could try it, because not every box is something that your dogs would like. So give it a go. And Curly's losing his mind. He's going to eat all the snacks. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you're having a fantastic Friday. I know. I've got to focus on Curly because clearly it's all about him. But I wanted to share this with you, and I hope you're having a great day. And if there's anything we can do to help you have a better relationship with your dog, just let us know. We're happy to help. Bye.